Hello, in this video I will show you how to measure an unknown resistance using a simple voltage divider and applying Ohm's law. This system consists of a known resistor Rp and unknown resistor Rx connected in series between the power supply 5 volt and the ground. This two resistance circuit you may see on this picture. The source on the left have 5 volt voltage. You can see the direction of the current named I, and there are two resistance. The voltage will be divided to unknown voltage over the Rp resistor, and the other unknown Rx over the Rx resistor. Every resistors have one voltage drop, and we will use the Ohm's law to calculate this. The Ohm's law said that the voltage may be calculated as product of electrical resistance and current in serial connection. The total electrical resistance may be calculated as the sum of two electrical resistors. In our cases that will be known and unknown electrical resistors. On the right side you can see the derivation of the formula for unknown resistance. In equation number 1 we start from Ohm's law, and unknown resistance is equal to the quotient of the voltage drop across unknown resistor and same unknown resistor. The rest of this derivation you can see on the picture. The previous schema is applied in this Tinkercad diagram. We will use breadboard to connect the wire. The first wire go from 5 volt to the one horizontal line on the breadboard and connect one leg of the resistor. The first resistor is known. We will use 22 ohms for this exercise. The second leg of this known resistor is connected to other horizontal line on the breadboard. Horizontal line have same voltage. We will put three point in that horizontal line. The second leg of the first resistor, the first leg of second resistor, and wire to the analog pin A0. The second leg of unknown resistor will be connected with the ground. You can see black wire. The all ground pins on the Arduino are connected on the same voltage. Go to Tinkercad and create new project. Connect your project like this. You can choose Arduino UNO, breadboard. Choose two resistors and connect it to breadboard like this. This is on same potential, on the same voltage. This line is horizontal line on the same voltage. One of the resistor will be a known resistor. When I click, I may choose the quantity of ohms. The second one will be unknown resistor. I will connect with Arduino. I will choose red line and connect 5 volt to one of legs. Second one and the first leg of the second resistor are already have connected. I will connect third pin on this line to A0 analog pin to Arduino. I will choose green color and I will connect to A0. Okay, and second end of that resistor I will connect to ground. Choose black color and connect with this line. This line have same voltage. I will start from this hole and go to ground on the Arduino. That's it. I will make code. Go to code section. You can see some variables on that code before the setup method. The first one is analog pin A0. This variable is set to A0 text. Next is the voltage at A0. We will read from this pin and save that value as variable analog value. This value will be between 0 and 1023 volts. Next is known resistor, and this variable is set to 22 ohms. That variable float type is unknown resistor. We will calculate this value. VCC variable const float is set to 5. That is supply voltage. Usually is used as 5 volt on Arduino UNO. And the next one is the O is the value of the current in ampere. Let's look at the setup method. We call pin mode and pass two parameters. One of them is pin A0, that will be pin. Second one is variable which indicate that this pin is used for as input. To start serial port, I will call begin method and send this value as baud rate. Let's look the loop method. In the loop method we will first read from analog pin and set this value, readed value, to analog value variable. We must convert that analog value to actual voltage between 0 and 5 volt. Because of that I will multiply with VCC, this is 5 volts, and divide by maximum value. This value is 1023. Result of that formula I will set as UA0. You can see in the command formula and derivation of the formula. We saw that earlier. The AX equal UA0. This is voltage over the unknown resistor multiply RP. RP is known resistor, divide by difference to voltage VCC minus UA0. Then we may calculate current. Next one we will print to serial port this voltage. After that we will print the current and unknown resistance in the ohm. On the end of the loop we will call the live method and we will make pause about 2 seconds. Okay, I will start the simulation. Click to serial monitor and I will read this value. it is 232 ohm. On this slide you can see printed values on the serial monitor.